16 million OFWs all over the world. And tingnan mo, ito yung particular ko sinasabi kanina pa eh. Walang naging interesado, wala pa akong narinig na tanong tungkol sa napaka-successful na OFWs. Why doesn't that interest anyone? It's so uninspiring that each time we talk about OFWs, we like to talk about the misery. Samantalang, alam mo, sa Dubai, one of the top medical practitioners ay Pilipino nandun. Ang dami niyan. It's duplicated all over the world. And yet, you know, it saddens me that nobody wants to talk about the Filipinos na tinitindig ang bandila natin. Bakit ganun? So, di ba yun ang, I mean, everybody dapat magkasundo tayo. Gusto ba natin umangat yung bansa natin? Ano na itutulong na ang lagi natin kinikwento, yung kapangitan na nangyayari. Meron bang ganung plano in any part of the world na ikuwento natin kung gano'ng kapangit itong bansa na to para tayo ay umasenso? I mean, I've never heard.
Dapat sir, kwento natin yan, bida tayo dyan.
Hindi ba nga? In fact, I don't know if you'll agree with me. Pero each time that all of you now are enjoying the immense power of communication and information dissemination, kayo na yun eh. Can you imagine the influence that you wield sa buong mundo? And each time that you talk about how bad it is, sa inyo makakabubong kayo, pero yung nakakuha ng information na yun, yung Pilipinas, ganyan. Minsan nga, kailangan na natin kung may masama, tayo na mag-usap. Diba? So anyway, ano ba reklamo yun?
Hindi sir, yung mga hindi naman